Hi students, in this video we are going to solve the problems on indexing topic. Okay, so in the previous lecture we have already discussed various terminologies and the equations which are needed to solve these problems. So we have already know how to represent the total number of files, total number of records in a file. It is represented using small r. The number of blocks needed to represent the data are represented using capital B. Then number of record the record length of each record in the blocks are represented using capital R. Then the number of blocks needed, now we have to find the blocking factor. Blocking factor means the total number of records which can be stored in a block. It is represented using BFR, and its equation to find it is capital B divided by capital R. Then the total number of blocks required is find out using the equation. How to find it is the total number of records, that is small r divided by the blocking factor. Okay, so now we can solve this problem with all that equations. Okay, first go through the problem. Suppose we have ordered file with total number of records 30,000. So in this problem we have to store a total of 30,000 records. So that is represented as small r. Okay, small r is equal to 30,000. Okay, stored on a disk with the block size 1024, which is represented as capital B. Capital B is equal to 1024. Now the file record are of fixed size with the record length 100 bytes. Record length, so it is represented as capital R is equal to 100 bytes. Then our question is how many block access are needed for linear search and binary search. Okay, ഞാൻ ജസ്റ്റ് പിക്ചോറിക്കലി കൂടെ ഒന്ന് റെപ്രസെൻറ്റ് ചെയ്യാം. പിക്ചോറിക്കലി പറയുമ്പോഴത്തേക്ക് ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ ഇതാ പറഞ്ഞിരിക്കുന്നത്, വി ഹാവ് ടു സ്റ്റോർ എ ടോട്ടൽ ഓഫ് 30,000 റെക്കോർഡ്സ്. ദിസ് ഈസ് അവർ ഡേറ്റ which is 30,000. Total count is 30,000. That is small r is equal to the value of small r is 30,000. We have to store the 30,000 records, and we have stored it in blocks. Okay, we have stored these 30,000 records in different blocks. പല ബ്ലോക്കിലായിട്ട് നമ്മൾ സ്റ്റോർ ചെയ്തു. ഓക്കെ, പല പല ബ്ലോക്കിലായിട്ട് നമ്മൾ സ്റ്റോർ ചെയ്തു. And in the question it is given that the size of each block is, that is capital B, that is the block size. This block size is equal to 1024, and it is also provided that the record length, that is this record, each record length is 100 bytes. Okay, and the question is we have to find the number of block access needed if you are using the linear search, and the number of block access needed if you are using binary search. So the equation for linear search block access is, for linear search total block access needed is equal to, have already discussed in the previous class, needed is equal to small b by r. We already know that small b means the number of blocks that is needed to represent this 30,000 records. Okay, total number of blocks, that is small b. So initially before doing this we have to find the value of small b. Okay, total number of blocks. Total number of blocks, total number of blocks which is represented small b is equal to total number of records we have to store divided by the blocking factor. Okay, so before finding the total number of blocks we have to find the blocking factor. Blocking factor, which is represented as BFR. Blocking factor can be found out using the equation capital B divided by capital R. Okay, that is the size of the block divided by the record length. Size of the block is 1024 divided by record length is 1000. Okay, whether we have to find the floor or seal, ഇതിൻ്റെ ഫ്ലോർ ആണോ സീലാണോ നമ്മൾ അതിൻ്റെ ഫ്ലോർ വാല്യൂ ആണ് കാണുന്നത്. ഓക്കെ, ഫ്ലോർ വാല്യൂ 1024 divided by 100 means it is floor of 10.24. 10.24. So we are finding the floor of 10.24, which is equal to 10. Okay, so this is the blocking factor. 10 records can be 10 records. ബ്ലോക്കിംഗ് ഫാക്ടർ എന്താണെന്ന് വെച്ചാൽ നമുക്ക് ഓൾറെഡി ബ്ലോക്കിൻ്റെ സൈസ് നമുക്ക് തന്നിട്ടുണ്ട്, ദാറ്റ് ഈസ് 1024 തന്നിട്ടുണ്ട്. ഒരു ബ്ലോക്കിൻ്റെ സൈസാണ് 1024. അതേ കണക്ക് ഒരു റെക്കോർഡിൻ്റെ ലെങ്ത് എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് 100 ആണ്. അങ്ങനെയാണെങ്കിൽ നമുക്ക് എത്ര റെക്കോർഡ്സ് ഇതിനകത്ത് സ്റ്റോർ ചെയ്യാം, അതാണ് ബ്ലോക്കിംഗ് ഫാക്ടർ. മീൻസ് 10 records can be stored. Now we have to find the total. ഒരെണ്ണത്തിൽ 10 പറ്റും. അങ്ങനെയാണെങ്കിൽ how many blocks are needed to store this 30,000? That is our next aim. Okay, total number of blocks. Total blocks needed, which is represented by small r, is equal to the total number of records, capital small r, divided by blocking factor. Okay, which is equal to value of total number of records is 30,000. 30,000 divided by blocking factor is 10, which is equal to, what's it, 300. Okay, so total number of blocks needed, 300 is 30,000. 3,000 blocks are needed to store this entire 30,000 records. Okay, now we have to find how many access are needed for linear search. Okay, and its equation is linear search, we need an access of b by 2 access. Value of b is equal to 3000 divided by 2, which is equal to 1500 block access are needed. Okay, in the case of binary search, its equation is ഇവിടെ നമ്മൾ seal value ആണ് എടുക്കുന്നത്. seal value. In the case of binary search, it's log b to the base 2, അതിൻ്റെ seal value, which is equal to log, what's the value of b? It's 3000 to the base 2, which is equal to logarithm എടുത്ത് വരുമ്പോഴത്തേക്ക് seal value of 11.55 എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞു വരും. Okay, seal value എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ we have rounding it to the next integer, that is 12 block access is needed. നമുക്കല്ലാതെ തന്നെ അറിയാം whether linear search or binary search is better. We have already know it's better to perform binary search. Okay, if we are performing linear search, we have to access 1500 records. If you are using binary search, we have only to access 12 blocks. Okay, so in this way we can solve the problem on indexing. Just remember how to represent each term. The total number of records can be represented using the capital R. Then the block size is represented using capital B. Then the record length, it is represented using as capital R. Then the total number of blocks we can find out using the equation small r divided by blocking factor. Blocking factor can be found out using capital B divided by small r. Okay, so in this way we can solve the problems. Thank you.